Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So in the previous video we had already discussed about element. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about classification of element. Okay, classification of element. Classification of element. Okay, element divided into three types. First one is metal, non-metal, metalloid. Okay, first one is that metal. Second one is non-metal, and last one is metalloid. Okay. Classification of element. Element are divided into three parts. First one is metal, non-metal, and last one is metalloid. Okay. One by one, let's discuss. First one is metal. First, metal. First we discuss about metal. Okay. What is metal? Those elements that having free electrons that is ability to lose electron readily in other word electron electropositive atoms are said to be metal. Okay, what is metal? First of all, we discuss about what is metal. Okay, those elements having free electrons. What is metal? Those elements that having free electrons, that is ability to lose electron readily in other word, electropositive atoms are said to be metal. Okay, you can say that those elements that having free electrons is said to be metal, or you can also say ability to lose electron readily is also called metal, and in other word you can say that electropositive atoms are said to be metal. Okay, now see some like see some example of metal like zinc, copper, lead. Okay, and many example of metal. Okay. So I hope you understand that what is metal, and now let's see some point related to metal. Okay. See some main point related to metal. So first point is that due due to due to metallic bounding metals metals are hard metal are hard and having high melting and boiling point. Okay, so first point is due to metallic bounding. First point is that due to metallic bounding, metals are hard metal are hard and having due to metallic bounding, metals are hard and having high melting point, or you can say melting point and boiling point. Okay, so now move to the next point that related metal. Okay, so next point is due to presence of free electron metals are good conductor of electricity in solid as well as molten state. Due to presence of free electron. Now next point is due to presence of free electrons, metal are good conductor of electricity in solid as well as molten state. Okay. It means the due to presence of free electron in metal are good conductor of electricity in a solid, or you can also say as well as also in a molten state. Okay, So that there are two points related metal, and see that see one more thing, one more point related metal. Okay. Next point is that metal are metals are ductile, durable, ductile, and having sonorous property. Metals are malleable, ductile, and having sonorous property. Malleable means ability to convert into foil. Malleable means ability to convert into thin foil. Okay. Malleable means ability to convert into thin foil, and ductile means ability to convert into wires. Okay. Ductile means ability to convert into wire. It means metal have ability to convert into thin foil, and metal are malleable, ductile, and having sonorous means drilling sound. Okay. Metals are malleable. Malleable means ability to convert into thin foil. Ductile means ability to convert into wires, and having sonorous means bearing sound. It means produce sound. Okay. Properties metal. Okay. And now our last point related metal, that most of the metal exists in solid state except mercury, Hg, in liquid. Mercury in liquid. Okay, and last point is that most of metal exist in solid state. Most of metal exist in solid state except mercury in liquid. Except mercury in liquid, which exists. Sorry. Okay. Metals. Most of metal only exist in solid state except mercury in liquid. Okay. So this all point is related to metal. Okay. I hope you understand about metal. What is metal and their points also. Now our next one is, we have discussed metal, and now next one is metal white. Okay, so let's see about metal white. Sorry, non-metal. 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 Okay. What is non-metal? Those are electron electronegative, sorry, electronegative electrons, sorry, atom having scarcity of electrons. What are non-metal? Those are electronegative atoms having a scarcity of electron. Okay, having a scarcity of electron, these atoms are known as non-metal. Okay. Those elements. Sorry. Those elements are electronegative atoms having a scarcity of electrons. They are called non-metal. Are called non-metal. Okay, so I hope you understand that what is non-metal. Let's see example of non-metal. Okay, let's see some example related with this. Okay, elements, atoms. Okay, now let's see some example of non-metal. Example like carbon, phosphorus, chlorine, and chlorine, etc. Many example of non-metal. Now let's see some point related non-metal. Okay, so our first point is that non-metal may gains electron or gain or share gain or shares electron and hence form ionic compounds. Ionic compounds are covalent compound. Respectively. Okay, respectively. Non-metals may gain electrons or shares electrons and hence form ionic compound or a covalent compound respectively. Okay, non-metals may gain electrons or share electrons and hence form ionic compound, gain electron or respectively, or covalent compound by sharing electrons. Okay, so I hope you understand this point very well. Now move to our next point. Next point. Non-metals exist in all three states, that is solid state, example carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. There are many examples of solid state. And now liquid state. Liquid state. For example, bromine, Okay, and now solid, liquid, and last one is gas. Okay, gaseous state. For example, oxygen, chlorine, chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, etc. There are many examples of gaseous state. Okay. Non-metals exist in all three states. Non-metal exists in all three states, that is solid, liquid, gas. Okay. And that is solid state. For example, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, and many more. Okay. And in liquid state, for example, bromine. Okay. And in gaseous state, for example, oxygen, chlorine, fluorine, nitrogen, and many more. Okay. Okay. You see, now I hope you understand about non-metal. And last one is metalloids. Let's discuss about metalloids. Metalloids. Okay. Discuss some points related to metalloids. So our first one is that what is metalloid? Okay. Those are the elements. Those are the elements with both electropositive, with both electropositives and electronegative character. That is ability to show both metallic as well as non-metallic character. Okay. Metallic. Metallic character or non-metallic character. Okay. Okay. These are the elements with both electropositive and electronegative characters, that is ability to show both metallic or as well as non-metallic character. Okay. Metalloid means this type of element that show both character, metals also electropositive and also electronegative, and that is that is ability to show metallic as well as non-metallic character. Okay, it means it is a intermediate between metal or non-metal. Okay, now let's see example of metallites. Okay, let's see some example related this. For example, bro, silicon, germanium. Okay, and there are many examples of metallites. Okay, so I hope you understand all three characters of element, that is metal, non-metal, metallite. Okay, first one is metal. Metal are those elements that having free electrons. Okay, and that is ability to lose electron readily. In other words, electropositive atoms. Simple meaning that electropositive atoms are said to metal. Okay, and we also discuss some points of metal. Okay, so I hope you understand this whole thing. This whole point that first point is due to metallic bonding, metals are hard and having high melting and boiling point. It means due to metallic bonding, metals are hard and having high melting and boiling points. And our next point is due to presence of free electron, metals are good conductor of electricity in solid as well as molten state. Okay, and our next point is that metal are malleable, ductic, and having sonorous properties. Means metal have ability to convert into foil and ability to convert into wires, and sonorous means billing sound. These are the properties of metal. Most of the metals exist in solid state except mercury in liquid state. Most of metals exist in solid state except mercury in liquid state. Okay, and we also discuss non-metal. Okay, what is non-metal? Those elements are electronegative are atom. Sorry, those elements are electronegative atoms are said to be what? Non-metal. Okay, like example carbon, phosphorus, chlorine, and many more. Okay, and our next point is that non-metals may gain electron or share electrons and hence form ionic compound or covalent compound respectively. It means non-metal may gain electron from ionic compound or share electrons from covalent compound. Okay. Our last point is that non-metals exist in all three states. Non-metals exist in all three states, that will be solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. And next one is metal white. Okay. Last we discuss about metal white. These elements with both electropositive and electronegative character, that is ability to show both metallic as well as non-metallic character. These elements are known as metal white. Okay. For example, bromine, silicon, germanium, etc. Okay. So I hope you understand all three types of element. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.